Hi, Mohammed. Thank you for your response. So basically, what we're trying to do here is we're trying to pull the tasks under the projects, which is here, into the automation. So for example, I'll, I'll click on projects and then click on project 3. So in project 3, we have a task called test task 1. If I go to automations and create one, so basically the modules that I can choose is only 4. And then let's say when we receive the payment, what we want to do is to assign a task. I can choose the project, but there's no way to pull test task from the project itself. So we have to do it manually each and every time. Is there a way for us to pull the task under the projects so we don't have to enter or manually do it here? I hope this makes sense. Thank you.